Welcome back to the Legal Brief, the show where we crush the various legal myths and misinformation surrounding various areas of the gun world. I'm your host, Adam Kraut, and today we're heading up to the Motor City, Detroit, to talk about a recently passed bullet bill resolution. SB Tactical, the originator of the pistol stabilizing brace, set the bar for innovation and product development in the PDW pistol category. From the insanely popular SB-M4 to the adjustable SB-A3 and even kits for pump-action firearms, SB Tactical braces are available for a wide variety of firearm platforms in fixed, adjustable, and side-folding models. To get 15% off your legally transported and carried pistol braces, use the code TGC15 over at sb-tactical.com. Recently, the Detroit City Council unanimously approved a gun control resolution known as the Bullet Bill. The resolution was introduced by Commissioner Reggie "Reg" Davis back in September, who, ironically, admitted to previously having a fetish with guns, claiming he owned sniper rifles, double-barrel sawed-offs, and Glocks. Don't worry, I'm sure all NFA rules applied. He also was quoted as saying, "We're not attempting to destroy your right to bear arms. We want to put taxes on that ammunition and use those funds to teach urban American folk about the importance of bearing arms and how to become a responsible gun owner."
Taxation is theft.
Now, I think we can all agree that teaching people, urban or not, about the importance of bearing arms and being a responsible gun owner is a great thing. However, where we're likely going to diverge on that agreement is the imposition of taxes to fund that form of education. While I've not been able to find the text of the resolution itself, multiple media outlets have reported that it would impose a limit to the amount of ammunition an individual could purchase, along with a requirement that a mental health background check be performed in Wayne County. Now, I know what you're thinking here, but Adam, how can a city council impose requirements on an entire county? Well, this is 2018, and apparently no one needs to understand how the government works in order to actually run it.
And if we work our butts off to make sure that we take back all three chambers of Congress, all three chambers of government, the presidency, the Senate, and the House.
From what I can gather, this is part of a larger proposed ordinance for Wayne County itself. It's likely that the Detroit City Council's approval of this resolution is merely virtue signaling and nothing more. The county commissioners will actually be taking a vote on this larger ordinance at the end of the month here. In addition to the limitation on the amount of ammunition a person can purchase and the imposition of a mental health background check, the proposed ordinance would also create additional county taxes that would be imposed on the purchase of ammunition, with revenue going to assist victims of gun violence and educational programs. Those programs would focus on conflict resolution. What remains to be seen here, though, is whether that ordinance, if passed, will have any teeth or even be enforceable. Michigan has a preemption statute which prohibits local units of government, which would include counties, from imposing certain restrictions on the ownership, registration, purchase, sale, transfer, transportation, or possession of firearms, ammunition for firearms, or components of firearms. I guess the goal is to have laws that punish those who abide by the law rather than those who violate it. If I were a betting man, I'd guess that this one will likely end up in court if it's passed. We'll be keeping an eye on this one. That's it for this episode. If you learned anything from the show, help us out and hit that like button. Make sure you share it with your friends. Don't forget to get subscribed, and if you enjoyed the video, consider supporting us via the links down in the video description. Be sure to check out the Gun Collective podcast on iTunes, and as always, thanks for watching. Izzy, that's the thumbnail for this week. As we kind of talked about before, those programs, don't forget to check out the, it wasn't scrolling and I got that far, so. The shirts worn on today's episode brought to you by Adam.
The shirts worn in today's video on the Gun Collective have been provided by Patriot Patch. Closed captions have also been brought to you by Patriot Patch Company. Be sure to click the link in the video description to check out all of their great products, including their cleaning mats.